Hey everyone, it's Tim here, and today I'm going to do a painting left-handed. As you can see here from my sling, I recently injured myself weightlifting. I ended up tearing a muscle in my chest and had to have it surgically repaired. So that means I'm going to be in a sling for at least 4 weeks. Possibly more, hopefully not, but at least 4 weeks. That means the only thing I can do is I can kind of draw with my right hand or maybe do some small paintings right-handed because I can't move my shoulder. Or I have complete free use of my left arm, so I might as well try to be as creative as possible. Hey, after all, I am an artist, right? So I gotta use that left arm and try to make some paintings with it. Might be a little bit awkward. Hey, maybe they'll turn out better than my right-handed stuff. So has anything like this ever happened to you? I'm curious. Have you ever had an injury where it limited you and you kind of overcame it? Let me know in the comments. I could use a little inspiration for the next couple weeks. So I'm excited to hear some of your stories. But here we go. I'm going to try painting a sunset in oil left-handed. Let's see what happens. Here we go.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you began to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.